Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover is a Dangerous, Chapter 1. It is a new manhwa. So here it is, let's read the story. Now, they're on hotel. There's a party. Everyone seems to be busy, talking to each other and also dancing, talking with the friends. Right now, there's a girl, but sitting aside, and she took her cigar, and she was watching the scene. Well, it was really getting late. Mr. Au, someone was calling her. Well, who could it be? Turns out, this girl. I didn't expect you to blow the air here. Oh, this girl. She looks really gorgeous, right? And also, Miss Au. Wang Yuner from Wang Yi, company actor. In fact, you just saw it. Well, what is the purpose of this girl? Approaching Miss Au, but there are too many people greeting you. You may not remember me. The nurse said to Au, forgot to bring a lighter. Right now, she want to take also, but looking at it, Miss Au right now, she's not moving and also she was not speaking, but she's only looking at her. To be exact, right now, Junior suddenly moved closer to her and kissed her gently. Well, this is the first right now. She really feels something. Why suddenly Junior kissed her? On the other hand, it was right now. Miss Au, she was still paused and she was only looking at Miss Junior, looking at her eyes. Miss Junior, it seems that she was really looking forward for this. Suddenly, there's no reason why she kissed her. I will borrow a fire. You don't mind, right? Oh, it seems that she was really a tricky person. Although right now, Miss Au, she took a big breath and blew off the air. Ah, why are cigars so special? What brand is it? It has nothing to do with you, Miss Au said to her. Right now, Yuner. She looks really confused. Then, can you give me a try? Oh, right now. She really want to try expensive cigar. A woman's cigarette is private, the more you are. But you nurse still, she moved closer to her. Besides, don't want to get attention. That's why she want to leave right now. But Yuner, the way you strike up a conversation is very clumsy. Well, it seems that she is really veteran on this. And so on. Yuner, she pushed her hands. Still, she really want to try the cigar. What's the meaning? It's not as good as you, Junior said to Miss Au. Right now, she grabbed her hands and tightened half to her. Try my cigar. Maybe the way I strike up the conversation is not very clever, but I am your still sister. It is unreserved. Oh, this girl. She really looks tricky, right? Now, the miss said, good. She was still looking at her. So, right now, Junior said, I thought she would refuse. But it turns out right now, it's like that. She really likes her. But right now, she looks really serious. Well, it seems scary. But Miss Yuner, I didn't expect her to dare to find me directly. Oh, someone is investigating the O family recently. Oh, Miss O suddenly surprised at hearing that report. Of course, she's been alerted at this moment. She said to herself, Wang Yuner, an 18 line, a little sour. The secretary said to Miss O, right now, looking at her, she looks really serious. Wang Yuner, it's an unfamiliar name. Well, maybe she doesn't know. The two of them friends when they're young. Right now, what happened to her? Suddenly, she forgot the fast. Right now, Miss O. She put another cigar on the box. Well, could it be that she will give her a sample? Miss O said to herself, Wang Yuner, oh, right now, she becomes generous to her. She said to herself, I'd rather see what you want to do. Suddenly, Yuner got really interested on having investigation about the family of hers. It was getting late at night. After party, Wang Yuner, she was sitting on the dark table. There's a picture in the table, also a cake, and said to her, Happy birthday. So, who is this girl? She called her sister. Well, it seems to be. She looks really beautiful also. Right now, if there was no fire in the Au family, you are now 27 years old. Oh, back then. She remembered that she's practicing piano together, her sister and hers. The two of them seems to be happy. I gotta go. I got a job. Work as a piano teacher in the European family. But now, you were said. That's great. Well, her sister, it's the best for me. So her sister's really sweet. But after that conversation, her sister has gone. Because of the fire on all family before, her sister's suddenly gone. Well, this girl, I didn't believe that the fire of the O family 3 years ago was just an accident. Oh, that's why she was wanting to investigate Miss O right now. No matter what the cause, I have to find out the truth on that year. Presidents of OC, O's group. O family is family of Chivals. Oh, it turns out they really rich. As my current status, I can find the core information of the O family at all. So that's why she was looking at Miss O, wants to be friends with her, so she can came through, have a time to investigate about the case of her sister. Well, oh, is that same? Start with her. Right now, she wanted to try to investigate with her. That's why she was really eager to become closer with her. For a little deer met a beautiful little flower. Oh, is this the story? Boy pick a flower. Right now, she's going to give it to the girl. Well, it was really sweet. On the other hand, when the girl received the flower, suddenly the voice happened between them. It was really a fantastic chemical reaction. Oh, look at them. Now, they're really blushing, especially the boy. Well, the story. You have a very good looking baby. A dangerful lover. Well, they're really cute, right? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.